Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is going to be the first in a series of paintings I'm going to do, concentrating on utilizing the Fibonacci sequence. I'll explain more about that in the longer video that I have coming up. But just so you know, that's what I'm doing with today's painting as far as how I'm approaching it. This painting is for a friend of mine from high school, and she contacted me and asked me if I could do a painting for her in oranges, blues, and creams. So I've managed that today, and I'm hoping it comes together the way I have in my head. So let's get down to the canvas. I'll talk about the colors, and we'll get started. Hey friends, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today, I am going to be starting a series. And it's going to be more of a formal video coming out here very shortly, and more of an education into what this is about. But I'm going to be doing a series of paintings utilizing the Fibonacci sequence to see if I can increase the flow and direction of my work. I've used it in the past casually, but I'm going to be starting to use it aggressively to design and think about how the flow is going to be with the composition is going to be with my paints. Today, I'm going to be doing a repurposed canvas. This is a 10-inch, 10 by 10. And what I'm going to do with this, lay out the paints. I'm using colors that I have a friend who I grew up with back in Michigan. We were both in our high school band together, and we were friends from junior high school up. And I spoke with her recently, and she had said that she was interested in painting, so I'm going to do one today for her. She asked for oranges, blues, and creams. I'm going to add a few other colors here just to accent it a little bit. Hopefully those come out well, but my intention is going to be basically, I don't know that it's going to be actual spiral, but with the Fibonacci sequence, you're dealing with diminishing squares. With the sequence, it starts out with 0, goes to 1 plus 1, so you get a 2, 2 plus 1, which is 3, 3 plus 2, which is 5, 5 plus 3, which is 8, 8 plus 5, which is 13, and so on. So that's the point. You end up with a rectangle, but the rectangle, depending on which direction you take it, will tell you where your center will be. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it casually today, and I'll do it more formally very soon. So let me get right to it, and let's see what we come up with. And we'll talk about it at the end. Now would be a perfect time to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you think it's worth it. And please, leave a comment. I always love hearing from y'all. Let's get back to it. Excellent. Okay, let's talk about this for just a second here. This color scheme, this palette works really well together. What you saw me putting down right there at the end of the bottle, that is Boom Gel Pearlescent White. It is a cell enhancer. A beautiful paint by itself, but it's for something about it is a gel. It tends to really help with the cells, and I got some nice cells in this. So let's go down and look. See that? The nickel azo yellow really popped through there. On this side you have a bit of the horizon and that blue. Frost is the main color, but I did manage to put in some teal. It gave it that blue-green, and I was kind of hoping to come up with a little bit of a southwest feel to this. So, hope you found this useful. Let me get you down for the slow and easy pass. Okay, that was a lot of fun. I kind of like the way this one came out, so I'd be interested in your feedback. You can leave a message down in the comments. And until next time, I want to thank you very much. Bye for now.